Hello guys, my name is James. So today I'll show you how you can use PayLink to monetize your MCP. Let's say, for example, you or your organization have some resources that you want agent builders or anyone who is building agents. Once they use these resources, you get paid for that. So these are diagram just to showcase the flow. Let's say, for example, we have our agent here, then we have our MCP here. So this is what we want to monetize, so that when we provide those resources back to the agent, there's some payment that is happening. So here is what happens behind the scenes. So the agent will request some resources from the MCP. Then the PayLink infrastructure now will first check if the MCP tool is monetized. If yes, it will try to do some transaction from the agent wallet to the MCP wallet. And if that is successful, the request is then forwarded to the MCP server. The MCP server executes, then the agent gets the response. But if the agent does not have enough balance, that means that the request is going to fail. Then a request is going to be sent back to the agent requesting the user to fund the wallet. So that's these are just an overview. So how to get started? You just need to create an account on PayLink platform. So I already have an account. Then after creating an account, you'll create a project. So a project is what you can use to trace or monitor the payments for a given project. You can have multiple projects. So currently I have 2 projects. So I have an agent wallet and MCP wallet. So when you create a project, it is automatically attached to a wallet. So if I come to this tab, the wallet tab, you will see that I have the agent wallet and the MCP wallet, and both have some balances. So we are going to start with monetizing our MCP. So I'm going to copy this connection string. Then I'll go to my MCP and replace the connection string. Then now when building your MCP, first you need to install PayLink, then import the require payment from PayLink mcp.monetize MCP. Then you need this. There are 2 ways how you can build a MCP: using the first MCP, which is a high level, and using the low level way. So currently I'm using the low level. So for that you need to manage the context. So, and to do that, you just need to import paylink.mcp.wallet context, then import the 2 strings. So then you will define your tools. So for example, for me, I have 2 tools: the addition, the add, and the subtract tool. Those are my available tools on my server, MCP server. Then now when invoking these tools, that is when I want to now to charge the agent wallet and transfer the funds to the MCP wallet. So to do that, I just add this at require payment decorator, then add the list of tools that I want to monetize and the base cost or the cost for each tool. So for example, to use the add tool, the agent will be charged 0.10, and to subtract 0.02. Then if you're using streamable HTTP, just add this set agent wallet from scope. So this will take the request and set it on the context for the upcoming execution. So yeah, that's all for the MCP. So after that, you just need to run your MCP, make sure that everything is okay, and make sure that it is running. So I'm done with the MCP. So then I'll go back to my PayLink platform and copy the connection string for the agent wallet. So I have a very small, tiny agent. I'm using LangChain. So make sure you update your env with the connection string as well. I'm not going to open that env because I have some other keys. Yeah, make sure you install LangChain if you're using OpenAI or Anthropic, and install PayLink. So we are now going to initialize the PayLink client. So from paylink.integration.langchain tools, import PayLink tools. We initialize the client, then set the base URL to your custom MCP that you want to monetize. Then we list the available tools and make them available to the agent. So that's all for the agent bit. This can be more complex than this, but just for demonstration, I have something simple. So now this is my agent that is connected to the MCP. So I can, for example, we can be able to see you can see the agent has access to two tools, that is the addition tool and the subtraction tool. And let's say, for example, we want to do some operations. Let's say, for example, I want to add 200. So the agent is going to call the addition tool, pass the parameters, and then get the result from the MCP. So this means that the transaction has already happened. The transaction from the agent wallet to the MCP wallet. So, and that's it. So to see the transaction, we can go back now to, for example, the agent wallet and click view. So I updated my env, but I did not restart my server. So that's why the transaction is still using the previous key. So let me rerun this again. So let me refresh. Yeah, and now it has worked. You can see that there's that one transaction outgoing because this is the agent wallet. So we are doing a transaction from the agent wallet to the MCP wallet. So now if I come back to the MCP wallet, we should see to incoming, because remember the other one I had not restarted my server, so my agent server. So there's a transaction that happened but using another key. But yeah, so this is the current one at 12:59. Yeah, I think that's okay. But one issue that you will notice that this balance will not update automatically, but with time you will be able to see the test. Yeah, we are able to see the balance has now reflected. So yeah, that's all, and how you can get started with PayLink and monetizing your MCP. Try build something small, and I'd be happy to hear your feedback and see you build. Thank you.